Oh, hello. Welcome to the online music school. I'm Richard and this is the second lesson for the guitar. Press like and subscribe. So folks, we're on the second lesson of the guitar, and that would be the major scale. Scales are everything in music. I'm sure you may have heard of the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. The most important thing for this next lesson is to remember that the distance between two notes is a tone or a whole step, like between A and B, and the distance between a single note is a semitone or half step, like between B and C. A scale means a set of musical notes arranged in a predetermined order. The word scale comes from a Latin word meaning ladder. The most common scales used are the major and minor scales. If you've ever heard of a chord name like D major or E minor, it means that the notes inside the chord are all from the mentioned scale. All the notes that make up a D major chord will be from the D major scale. Focusing on the major scale, there are 7 different notes in the scale. You simply have to remember a rule to get the correct notes of any scale. The rule is as follows. Start on the first note of the scale or root note, then move up a tone, up a tone, up a semitone, up a tone, up a tone, up a third tone, and up a semitone finally. That's a root note, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. And it's that easy. Now we can try the G major scale. First, locate the note G on the guitar, and then follow with the rules. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. When you finish on the 7th move, that note will be exactly the same as the first note, only it will sound higher. This is known as an octave, a measure of distance between notes. The C that you start on and the higher C that you end on is one whole octave apart. The white notes of a piano are arranged exactly to play the major scale in the same way. You can apply the major scale with any note. Just take the note of the scale that you want, say F, find the note on the guitar, and make the moves. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Knowing your major scale shapes is very important for making good guitar solos, and especially for playing bass guitar. Knowing where all 7 notes in your scale will help you figure out lots of melodies when you play by ear, and will keep your music sounding harmonious and lovely. Well, that about does it for this lesson. Press like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.